Hey everybody, welcome back to Lady Luck HQ. In today's video, I'm going to take you through our biggest jackpot hand pay yet on Happy Lantern. Don't miss an upload. Subscribe, hit that bell, and make sure to turn those notifications on. Let's get started. And yeah, here we go. Alright, so in this game, you need 3 cases, those money cases, or 6 of the poker chips. We were close there.
Were you?
Yeah, we had 2 suitcases. So 1 away from a bonus.
Love your optimism.
Come on. Really? Come on. Ooh. Really? Ah.
I don't think anybody's played these machines today. That's why they're so cool.
Come on. I saw something fly by there. I'm not sure what it was though. Wow. That was uneventful.
Shortest session in the world.
Uneventful.
Want to change the denom to something?
Sure. It's always good to mix it up. Whatever, it doesn't matter.
50.
Alright, so you're gonna have to help me with the math. The 50 cents always throws me off.
It's just half.
I know, but it just does. There are those progressives. That 70,000 would be spectacular.
Pretty strong.
I mean,
They're all different.
they're all different denoms.
Not the different denoms.
They're all different progressives.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. Come on. Oh wow, that's great. Nice hit. This will be a big one.
I guess 400?
800. 300, we were both wrong. But you were closer. You win.
You were a little ambitious. Not
That-
bad again.
That lined up really well. Come on. It's like, oh, 1 away. That was mean. The minor said 2,500. That would have been nice.
Okay, change it to 10?
Sure. Cases. Really? Really?
I'll do it.
That was mean.
Really?
It is just being... It's teasing
Being a
us.
jackass.
It's teasing us. It's just straight up teasing us. Who is it?
Chuck! Chuck!
Charlie, we're over here. Oh, that should be great.
180.
That's a good
What's
hit.
up, Chuck?
Hey, Charlie. Come on.
Want to change the denom?
Sure.
Little 50.
Nothing happened.
What's gonna happen? You get it sized?
Huh?
Get it sized?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, come on. I feel like we found the coldest machines in the casino. That was good.
130.
Come on, 3 cases.
Watch this fast spin. You're gonna get 4 of them.
Okay. Well, we got 2. You were close. I still didn't like it. Come on.
Major would be nice.
It would be. Boop.
Fast spin. Man, really? No bonuses.
Nothing.
It's nuts.
Yeah, this one doesn't like us. Okay.
Somewhat alive.
Last one. Make it count.
Texted Google.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, do you want me to get you sushi for when you land?
Boom
And she
out.
goes, if I land.
Oh boy, she's.
They still delayed?
Yeah.
Ugh.
All right, playing on Lightning Cash. Here we go. 3 of those dragons. Wow. Okay. Wow. Fill her up a little bit. Nice. Hey, Drewby dope. Something offensively large. Save the day. Hyundai. Lady Luck HQ, let's go. All right, just got paid out and we're still rolling. Wow, 150. Wow. I'm okay, thank you. Green guy. 200 game. Okay. I need a full screen of our buddy. Worst bonus ever. $90.
Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's session. And if you're still around, definitely check out one of our other videos. Until next time, guys, take care. Bye, everybody.